Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with an American Bill Money review. This is a postcard program that's been around since 2003. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they're paying out $75 in commissions for each person that comes into your downline. What you do is you pay $125 to receive leads of people that are looking for a home-based business opportunity. So you're going to get labels in the mail, and they're going to come to you on a monthly basis. You then take those labels, put them on a postcard, and send them out in the mail and wait for the response. I've been in this program since May of 2017, and I've been earning a full-time income utilizing American Bill Money, being a part of this home-based business opportunity. What I love so much about it is that it's a debt-free company. They've been around for a while, and they've been paying me weekly since like the second week that I've started the program. And not only that, they have some great postcards. This is what the postcards look like. This is the back of the postcard. This is the front of the postcard. And you're able to order these postcards and have them personalized with your picture on it, your name, and your ABM number. Your ABM number is how people pay you when they are interested in the program. They just would fill out a short registration form, and they will put your code in there, which lets the people know that this is the person that referred them. So I've just wanted to show some of my payment proof, what I've been receiving since I've been with this company. December 15th, I received, for the week of December 15th, I received a check for $750 from the company. And these checks have been very consistent. I've been able to pretty much leverage the opportunity by consistently sending out postcards on a regular basis. Also, from time to time, I do promote this opportunity online as well. If you are looking to add to your income or replace your income, this is one of the best ways to do it, because you are going to be able to make as much as you want. There's no cap on the amount of money that you can make. Also, with their one-up compensation plan, when people come into your organization, their first person that they bring in goes to you as well. So they have a one-up compensation plan that allows you to make money fast. It allows you to build little teams and grow your business as big as you want. So if you want more information about this program, if you click on the link in the description box below, you can get more information about American Bill Money. Not only that, you can contact me if you would like to speak to me and just get further information. I have been in other postcard programs, and this is the only one that pays you residually, which means you get paid month after month after month. So you don't have to worry about going out and finding new people over and over again. And I love that about this opportunity. Residual income for residual bills. If you have to pay bills monthly, why not have an income that helps you with those monthly bills? And that's what I love about this. So again, I would highly recommend, if you're looking for a postcard program, if you're looking for residual income, something that's long-term, this is the program where you want to be. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel just to see more of my results of how I'm doing with this program and this opportunity, and how I'm growing with this opportunity as the months go by. Right now is a great time to get into a program like this, only because January, February, March, and April, a lot of people are looking for home-based business opportunities. People are looking to make additional income from home, and this is where you want to be. So thanks so much for watching my video. Stay in contact, stay inspired. If I can do it and earn a full-time income from home, you can too. And I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow. So have a great day.